Here is a case of thulium fiber laser enucleation of prostate. Normally, we see thulium laser routinely 100 watts, 200 watts, but thulium fiber laser is 60 watts only. This is approximately grade 2 to grade 3 prostate, around 70 grams. Thulium fiber laser is used at 30 Hz and 1.5 joules energy. This is quite fast in cutting the prostate. We started the median lobe first, as in this case median lobe was present. Because this is a new laser, even though mechanism entire thing looks like thulium laser, but it is not thulium. It is diode laser passed through the tube which is doped with thulium ions without any much changes in the settings. We started using the prostate. This is on the other side of the median lobe. In the beginning it looks slow to reach the capsule when compared to the hook monopolar, but once we reach the capsule on either side, if you move the laser fiber fast, the capsular level gland separates very fast. The important difference between thulium laser 100-200 watts or this thulium fiber laser is not well addressed, but satisfactory separation of the tissue, extremely satisfactory coagulation effects are maintained in the thulium fiber laser also, like seen here. There is a coagulation setting also in this, which almost looks like monopolar cautery. Now here median lobe is lifted. Very obviously capsule is seen. The much controversial discussion of thulium causing coagulation and blackening. If it's in the correct plane, we observed that capsule can be seen, but maybe a little lesser than holmium. Like here, one layer was there. After lifting the proper layer, see here, nicely the white capsule is seen, and even if you don't touch, it lifts nicely. This is at the exactly same level of the trigone, and this is the last part of the median lobe, and it has gone into the bladder. Now we are giving incision like any other enucleation anteriorly, like most of the recent videos. Experienced surgeon says that better to maintain plane first in the 12 o'clock position, where again capsule is seen same like while doing median lobe, and little bit of grooving on either side to reach this white capsule made the job easy. We are also in the learning curve with TFL, as it is a new laser, but appears reasonably okay. See, again we are developing a plane between 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock position, and then coming down and meeting the previously incised inverted U-shaped incision at the level of the veru. While initially cutting, it may go through the parenchyma, but when you maintain anteriorly like this at 12 o'clock position, proper capsule, 90 to 95% of the gland, see, this is the capsule so nicely seen. The gland is separating from medial to lateral. The same plane, if it is maintained, Now I am coming from below up. Majority of the times it appears charred, but it should look like this. The veins, appearance of the veins, this is the capsule. This is the lateral part. See, this is the capsule, this is the capsule. A little bit, this is the true capsule where fibers are seen, vertical fibers also come near the bladder neck region. And it is very sharp, that's why there is a chance of going into a wrong plane. See here, small amount of tissue was there. See, this is a perfect capsule which is getting lifted up. Like in any other enucleation, no difference. But 60 watts thulium fiber laser with a different mechanism of action is able to do the job, which can be used for the stones, is definitely a landmark change in the management of the prostate and the stone. And it's portable also, but not many papers and literature available as of now unless the mechanism of action is same like thulium. This is the fossa of the half. After the fossa is shown here, we have gone to the other side, but when after removing the median lobe and this lobe, this went very fast because it is automatically moving into the lumen of the other part of the prostate which is removed. Now quickly the prostate was getting lifted up in a proper plane when compared to the other lobe. And if any beak is available along with this, probably it may push like in other bipolar enucleations. Here beak is not available. See, this white capsule is so nicely seen. If you go through the prostate tissue, definitely it looks brown. See here, some areas it is brown, means it is a little bit of prostate. Now this is the coagulation effect, almost like monopolar cautery. Before doing enucleation, if you do coagulation like this, everywhere capsule is seen. Small bleeders also, they are coagulated. We are using Storz marcellator here with suction. It can be connected. This is the sphincter which is not damaged. This is a sphincter and flattened, and immediately after the surgery this is a color like any other enucleation. Thank you.